Piali no chime. A common problem that a lot of people run into when learning Nawatl is how to correctly pronounce the sounds made by the letters X, CH, and TZ, which is sometimes spelled as a TS depending on which orthography you're using. Each of these make different sounds and should never be confused with each other. So today, we're going to learn how to make the sounds for X, CH, and TZ, or TS. First up, we have the letter X, which we see in a lot of Nawatl words. The letter X in Nawatl is pronounced as SH, like in the English word shoe. We see this in words like tlaxcali, tortilla, xochitl, flower, and axolotl, or water salamander. So pretty simple, right? The letters CH make a ch sound, as in Chicano. We see this used in words like chili, chile, chimali, shield, and chichiltic, the color red. And the TZ or TS, depending on the orthography, makes a TS sound, like in pots or pizza. We see this used in words like itzcuintli, dog, itztli, obsidian, and tonantzi, our beloved mother. A good way to practice all three of these sounds in a single word is with the word xochitzin, which means beloved flower or precious flower. So once again, xochitzin. So now you can make all three sounds, SH, CH, and TZ. All very different sounds, not to be mixed and matched. If you found this video helpful, please consider visiting chimali.org and signing up as a Patreon supporter. Starting at only $3 a month, you can help support the Café con Nawatl series, as well as our podcast, Tales from Atlantis, and our many books, films, and other research projects. So until next time, Tlascamati, thank you, Timoitase.